Hello everyone! Today we are unboxing ZURU mini brands Fill the Fridge. And of course I had to get a Fill the Fridge to come with it because it's only going to come with 2 items, or so it says on the back of the box. This is what we got going on. It is quite perfect to fit all of their refrigerated items inside. This is perfect on the 1/6 scale. I love it and I just had to get it. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. There's a track mark right here and it still comes off in little bits, and that's okay as long as you don't have a little small child around. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Double wrapped just like the spheres. Coming off like a ribbon. Wow. I was hoping it would stay this turquoise retro color, you know? Exclusive, create minis inside. I'm really excited for this. I can't wait to see what's inside. Around the handles, it doesn't feel like they actually move right. Well, let's get this whole thing off before we decide. So much bits. I don't have babies around this house. It's just me, one big baby. Nah. This is kind of getting hard. This is where the traction met. And would you guys stop this with the ribboning? Why does it do this? Why does it do this? Whoa. I'd say to say I'm not very good at opening mini brands. Booyah. Bits! I'm cleaning my house. I'm gonna sweep. Let's see. I think right here. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're so close! We're so close! Oh my gosh, at the hinges. I can see the hinges. Oh, it's feeling like a real Barbie fridge right now. And it lights up for real. That's what it said on the back. Look at this. UV lighting. Oh! I was like, what would we need UV light for? To cure the Creative Minis. Oh, whoa! Whoa! This is so exciting. I didn't expect it to literally, oh, that's crazy. Oh, oh, that's so cool. This is so awesome, y'all. Okay. Go! Whoa! No way! No way! No way! That means I gotta put my freezer items away. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Who are you? This is a Creative Mini. Mini brands. Instructions. Okay. Oh, Nelly. This is so exciting! Fill the Fridge Minis. LED. Mini. Whoa, gelatin. We make the resin. This either a fun day to myself or another video to come, but it is not happening anytime soon. Let's see. What? Okay, let's just see what's in here. Is this all for the create? It looks like it's just all for the Creative Minis. It does come with a strawberry vanilla lollipop. I saw that on the side. I didn't think it was just gonna straight up tell us what we got. Ice scooper. Wait, are you saying that I can make my own ice? You got to be kidding me. Fridge magnet. That's so cute. A watermelon. A watermelon. So that, and then final piece. Ding, ding, ding. Stuff to make the gelatin. Is this for ice? I'm going to have to watch a YouTube video on this. I don't know. Or read the instructions. What's this? Oh, that's so cute. The little mandarins to put in there. Go thighs. Mandarin. Keep those on the plate. I like that sound. I don't know if you can hear above whatever's going on out there. Nice little plunk. Super cute little gelatin mold. And then we resin it up. That's exciting. I just needed the fridge. I really needed this fridge. It is a right hand open. That feels so good. Oh my gosh. Crazy work. You little scooper. You're going in here. Little scooper. That's literally the ice storage space. That's crazy. I will, let's put the Olipop in the fridge. Hello, Olipop. They're like, if you don't have anything here. No wonder, okay. Hey. Oh, I was wondering why the fridge was red. This has nothing to do with the resin mold. Maybe it does. I don't know. These are other compartments for the fridge. I've never opened one of these before. Would you look at that? I was like, where am I going to put the Olipop? How about right up there? And we'll fix up this fridge. We're gonna do, that'll be something separate, filling it all up. But celebratory to go in the fridge, one of the new fill the fridges to go with my huge collection that I just got. ZURU fill the fridge minis. I'm so excited. Ribbon. It's pretty. I like it. I just wish it was consistent. Didn't just like come off halfway through. Booyah. Okay. Fill the fridge! Oh! Avocado toast with an egg. Going on the fridge. So. And all the things that we can get. Mini fridge magnets. The common side is huge. Lots of things in the commons. If you don't have one of these fill the fridges, here's what is on the common sides. I have the lobster. And what do I hope for in getting these? I do want an iconic Baskin-Robbins ice cream. I think my girls deserve ice cream. I don't have enough helado. And maybe maybe some Mac. So Baskin Robbins. Oh, Mike's Hot Honey. I want Mike's Hot Honey. I already got the Jell-O, and I was really happy for that, and that was a rare. So let's see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Let's get into it, shall we? Putting that aside. This feels like a Create a Mini, and that's an ultra rare. That's crazy. We're gonna set that aside. Let's open this thin peeling one, huh? Oh! Fresh milk. I love milk. I love milk. I don't care that it's coming. I didn't have this. Cutie pie. This is garbage. And then... kombucha! It's a comment, but I don't have kombucha. Woo! Okay, what's this? Okay, this is looking like a commons pack. But hickory smoke barbecue sauce from Kraft. I don't have this. I'm very appreciative. Appreciative. There you go. Boop. Sorry! Okay. It's okay. Ah! Okay, everybody, settle down. Settle down. I'm sorry, Robin. Boop. Little garbage will be fine. Soft pretzels. I'm not so happy about this. I don't care for pretzels. Maybe one of them will. Sorry, ladies. Oh, another strawberry Jell-O. Cute. I'm okay with having 2 packs, but I better not get any more. What is this? Create a Mini tiramisu. So weird. Huh. These are the tiramisu layers. Yeah, I better not open that. Because it's not another surprise. It's a part of this. So I got a little resin. I'm excited. It's just, we're gonna have to make these resins. I'll have to have a day with a friend or something. Because now I've got 2 resins to make. It says Legendary Create a Creation. No, this one's a luxury. Luxury Create a Creation. I want the luxury bag of ice. That would have been nice. I'm happy. You know, we're just gonna keep getting and seeing what's up. We got the milk and the hickory barbecue and the kombucha. We're so happy. All right. And now we're just gonna have to literally fill the fridge. So catch me in the next video. Sorry about that.